Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A survey regarding the height of the plants was conducted and the following table was obtained. Compare the mean and the mode of the given data. But before we calculate, we must observe that the classes of height are inclusive classes. So the first thing that we have to do is convert inclusive to exclusive classes, and to do that what we need is a correction factor. Correction factor is added in all the upper limits and subtracted from all the lower limits, and we calculate correction factor from difference of lower limit of next class and upper limit of previous class, and in each case the difference is 1, and this difference is divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0.5. Now 0.5 added to all upper limits and subtracted from all lower limits. So the modified class intervals will be 7.5 to 17.5. Next will be 17.5 to 27.5, 27.5 to 37.5, 37.5 to 47.5, 47.5 to 57.5, 57.5 to 67.5. Now for calculation of mean, we are also going to require class midpoints, that is M's, and multiplication of frequency and midpoints. So let's see class mark or class midpoint. We'll write class mark or class midpoint of each class in this column. 7.5 to 17.5 is, let's see, 7.5 plus 17.5 by 2. So that is equal to 25 by 2, which is 12.5. So let's write, this is 12.5, this is 22.5, this is 32.5, 42.5, 52.5 and 62.5. So these are the class marks of all the classes. Now let's write a column with Fi multiplied by Mi. So let's make these multiplications. So let's see, 12.5 into 6 is 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is 15, 6 1s are 6, 65. This is 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11, 24 multiplied by 32.5. So let's see, 32.5, 24, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 is 10, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is 13, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 2s are 6. So we get 0087. So this is going to be decimal point here, so 780. Next is, so 42.5 multiplied by 17 is 17 5s are 85, 17 2s are 34 plus 8 is 42. 17 fours are 68 plus 4 is 72. So we get 722.5 here. 722.5. And the next one is 6 into 52.5. 6 into 52.5, which is equal to 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is 15. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 is 31. This is 625. And total of frequencies, total 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 24 is 36. 36 plus 10 is 46. 17 plus 5 is 22. 46 plus 22 is 68. So now let's calculate mean and mode to compare them. So mean we know is equal to summation of Fi Mi divided by summation of Fi, which is equal to, we'll have to add this two. So let's see, after decimal point 5 plus 5 is 10, so 0, decimal point 1 is added, so 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 0 12 plus 2 14 plus 5 is 19, 19 plus 1 is 20, so 2 is carried, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7 plus 8 15 plus 1 16 plus 6 is 22, so 2, again 2 is carried, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 11 plus 7 18 plus 7 25, 25 plus 1 is 26, and there is no thousands place digit, so 2620 is the final summation total. So let's see, that is going to be equal to 2620 divided by 68, which is equal to, both are divisible by 17, so both are divisible by 4, so 4 8s are 4 6 are 24, 2 remaining 22, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20 divided by 17. So this is going to be equal to 17 3s are 51. 65 minus 51 is 14. 145. 17 8s is 138, 136. So 145 minus 136 is 9. So 90. 17 5s are 85. 5 remains. 17 2s are 34. So 16 remains. So 17 9s are 153. 160 minus 153 7. We'll stop here and write this answer as a decimal number with 2 digits after decimal point. So mean height of all the plants is 38.53 centimeters. Let's see, let's look at the mode. Mode is given as L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is lower limit of modal class. L is lower limit of modal class. F1 is frequency of modal class. Modal class. F0 is frequency previous to modal class. F2 is frequency next to modal class. H is class size. So the modal class is the class which has highest frequency. So in this case, modal class is 27.5 to 37.5. Modal class is 27.5 to 37.5. So L is 27.5. So we can say mode is equal to 27.5 plus F1 is 24 minus F0 is 5 divided by 2. F1 is 48, F0 is 5 and F2 is 17. Multiplied by class size is clearly 10. So we have 27.5 plus 24 minus 5 is 17 divided by 48 minus 22. This is going to be equal to 48 minus 22 is 26 into 10. So we have 27.5 plus 170 by 26. So let's do this division. We have mode equal to 27.5 plus 26, 6 is 156, so 6 point, it's 14, 170 minus 156 is 14, so after decimal point we have 140, so that's 130, 26, 5s are 130, so 140 minus 130 is 10, so 100, we have 26 3s are 78, so 100 minus 78 is 22, so we have 220, 26 into 8, that is 26 8s, we have 208, so it's going to go on for a while, so we are going to stop here at 3 digits after decimal point and round it off to 2 digits after decimal point. So we get mode equal to 27.5 plus 6.54, so this is equal to, we get mode equal to 4, 5 plus 5 is 10, 7 plus 7 is 14, so we have 34.04 centimeters as mode height of the given data. So clearly mean is greater than mode. This is mean and this is mode. Clearly mean is greater than mode of the data, so this is the answer.